Welcome back to Cyclosphere, where we take bikes to the next level. Today, we're not just talking about bikes that roll, but ones that soar. Meet the Rictor Skyrider X1, a motorcycle that's part bike, part drone, and 100% futuristic. Stay tuned as we dive into this revolutionary ride that promises to redefine urban transportation. First off, let's talk about design. The Rictor Skyrider X1 is crafted from carbon fiber composites and aviation-grade aluminum, making it lightweight yet durable. Its enclosed cabin isn't just sleek, it's designed for both road and sky comfort. And those 8 rotors? They're not just for show, they ensure smooth vertical takeoffs and landings. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Inside, it's all about functionality. You get a joystick control for manual operation, but the real magic lies in its automated systems. Think auto takeoff, landing, and even real-time route planning. The cabin is cozy, with a focus on safety and ease of use. It's like sitting in a cockpit, ready for takeoff. Performance? The Skyrider X1 doesn't disappoint. With a top flight speed of 62 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 minutes in the air, it's perfect for short city commutes, whether on the ground or above traffic. On the road, it operates like an electric moped, ensuring smooth transitions between driving and flying modes. Comfort is key, and Rictor delivers. The enclosed cabin keeps you shielded from the elements, while the adjustable seating ensures a relaxed posture for both riding and flying. It's built for tech enthusiasts who want comfort with their innovation. Safety is a top priority. The Skyrider X1 comes equipped with triple redundant flight control systems, an integrated emergency parachute, and real-time weather adaptability. Even in the rare case of engine failure, you're covered with advanced landing systems. Being a hybrid machine, the Skyrider X1 demands specialized care. However, Rictor has simplified things with modular components and a built-in diagnostic system to notify you of potential issues. It's reliable, but be prepared for niche servicing. At a projected price of $60,000, this isn't just a bike, it's an investment in the future of mobility. While steep, its dual functionality and cutting-edge features make it a tempting option for urban adventurers. From custom cabin interiors to enhanced battery packs for longer flights, Rictor offers several upgrades. You can also personalize the look with a range of color schemes and add-on accessories. How does it stack up against competitors? While others like the Mayman Aerospace Speeder focus on speed and power, the Skyrider X1 excels in accessibility and ease of use. It's the perfect balance of innovation and practicality. So, is the Rictor Skyrider X1 worth it? If you're looking to embrace the future of urban commuting and you've got the budget, it's an exciting prospect. While challenges like regulations and maintenance exist, there's no denying this bike-drone hybrid is a bold step forward. What do you think about the Rictor Skyrider X1? Would you take to the skies or stick to the road? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cyclosphere for more cutting-edge bike reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep pedaling or flying.